Hi guys, it's Amore, and today I'm here with a hair update video. This is going to be my 1 month, I can't even talk, jeez. This is going to be my 1 month update from the hair that I have in from DSoar hair. If you guys have not seen that video, I'm going to link it down below. But basically, I did a hair makeup get ready with me with this hair about a month ago, maybe almost 2 months ago. And I'm just here to give you guys like an update on everything. I'm just gonna start doing my hair while I tell you guys like some specs and all the update things I have to tell you guys. So first of all, the specs of the hair is gonna be down below. As for like the length, texture, all that, because I honestly can't remember. I think it's body wave 22 inches, maybe 24, maybe 22. Literally, I have no freaking idea. But yeah, so the first time I had this hair in, I had a sew-in, and I did a sew-in again. This is also a sew-in. The reason I did the sew-in the first time is because, well, I just didn't feel like making a wig, so I sewed it in, which was a really good decision because I really like doing sew-ins on hair that's good, for the simple fact that I don't have to worry about taking it on or off. If it's good hair, there's just not going to be any problems. So I don't have a problem with being attached to it. Other than wigs, I'll be tempted to just rip it off my head. Not literally rip it, but you know, take it off my head and, you know, not wear a wig. But with this sew-in, I was like, okay, like, I like the hair. Like, I don't have a problem being attached to it every single day. So I did a sew-in again for the simple fact of I liked how the sew-in was the first time, so I did it again. And I told you guys in my last video, I haven't had a sew-in in like a year before my last video, so it says a lot that I did a sew-in again with the same exact hair, and I literally never do sew-ins. So yeah, the hair is really good. As for the texture, it feels literally like it just came out of like how it came. Like, it feels like this is my first day with the hair. It doesn't feel like I've worn it for as long as I did. And I was on and off with this hair. Like, I would switch with another wig or like try to come back to whatever. Yeah, so when I took the sew-in out, I did do like a little apple cider vinegar shampoo type of thing. Like, I just let it soak in there just to see what the hair would be like, because it wasn't necessary. It wasn't old hair. Like, I've only had it in for like a month, and it really didn't need all that. I just wanted to see, and that could be another reason why the texture just feels like so nice. You guys can see running my fingers through it, looking really, really nice and cute. Yeah, so I did that, and I also just let the hair sit there for like a really, really long time after I washed it. I didn't blow dry it or anything. Like, I literally just let it sit there. Did my flat iron turn off? Oh, it did. But yeah, I just let it sit there for a while because I really was trying out other wigs and stuff, and I didn't want to put it in. But yeah, I just let it sit there, and then when I put it in, I was like, oh, okay, like, this is it. This is the one. This is really, really bomb hair. And the frontal too looks literally the exact same way it did when I put it in. Like, there's no balding. On this side, it did get like a kind of little bit thinner around the front, but this side it didn't. But that's the same way for all my frontals, because if I do wear a side part, of course this side is going to get more messed with because I'm always laying down baby hairs and stuff. But honestly, you guys, this is like really, really nice, really cute. Like, I'm really surprised about the frontal though, because a lot of times I stop wearing hair just off the fact of the frontal. Like, if the frontal doesn't feel right, if it starts balding, I know a lot of frontals will start, like, the hair will shed from the front and it'll be like this much bald spot, and then you just have to figure it out, like cut the lace or whatever. I was gonna cut the lace on this one, but then I realized like the hair really didn't fall off. Even at the very, very, very edge of the frontal, that hair is still intact, which is really good. I love that because I just love a long-lasting frontal. Like, no one needs to be buying frontal separate from their hair, because then the whole little thing is gonna get messed up. So I really liked how long the frontal is lasting me. Also, I noticed that after washing it and doing all that, the texture of the frontal became more like real hairish. I don't know how to explain that. It did have like a silky texture when I first did it, but the frontal is the only thing that kind of got a texture to it afterwards. And I think, I don't even remember, well, I did wash the frontal, I don't know, but now that I'm flat ironing it, like, it's going back to normal, I guess, because I didn't blow dry any of the hair or anything like that. But yeah, the texture of it did change a little bit towards the ends, but it wasn't enough for me to be like, ew, this hair is terrible. It just changed like a little bit. And honestly, I say this in all my videos, most people really won't notice unless you're like super eyeballing the hair and you're being like really a hardcore stalker on it. So yeah, you guys can see the hair is curling really nice. I want to do like curls in this video because in the other video all I did was made it bone straight, and like, of course I would make somebody wave hair bone straight instead of like trying to do some things to it. So I'm going to do like a little side part, some like big flat iron curls in here just to add a little bit of texture and whatnot. So yeah, as for the hair, it's literally like, if you guys watched my last video on the hair, it's literally the exact same thing. Like, nothing changed whatsoever. The texture is still really nice and soft. The frontal is still very, very bomb. Like, it's serving scalp. Like, it's serving, this is growing out of my head. Like, I don't know. Serving relaxer out here. Like, no sis, it's a frontal. But don't tell nobody that. Like, it's really nice. Really, really nice. I think, did I try to curl this hair? Actually, I did. I curled this hair before, and the curls, I can't like tell. If you guys saw my Halloween vlog, I was wearing this hair, and the curls kind of lasted a little bit, but I was also in a very hot, very humid party. Like, people was sweating. I was probably sweating. So I couldn't really tell if the curls lasted, but when I did it, it was really cute. I also did the curls with an actual curler, not a flat iron. This frontal is really, 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 really good. Like I said, a lot of times I get other frontals and they're bald about time I wear it. Like, when I wear it for a really long time, they're bald or they have holes in it. They've been through life. And this frontal can take it all, especially because I use my hot comb on it. I know sometimes when I use my hot comb on some frontals, the little parts where the combs are will poke little holes in the frontal. This didn't. Turned out really, really nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tap it a little bit with some hairspray and brush it out. So the curls come out just very pretty, very soft, really nice. I really, really like this. Like I said, I did put layers in the front, so they are kind of short right here. So yeah, pretty much guys, this is it for the review. Like I said, the hair is exactly the same way it was in my last get ready with me video. Not like, literally nothing changed. The frontal still the exact same, the texture is the same, length is the same. Little to no shedding. The only time I did have shedding was after I washed it, after I did like that little bath in the shampoo and apple cider vinegar and I was brushing through all the bundles. Of course you're gonna have shedding there because the hair is wet and it's just bound to happen. So yeah, that's pretty much like the only time I shedded. But the hair overall is really, really good. Like, this is like some 10 out of 12 out of 10 hair. Yeah, this is really, really, really good. I love it, especially the frontal. Like, I can't get over how the frontal looks the exact same, and it's really serving, like, you know what I mean? Like, okay, great. Like, okay. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. I'm definitely going to leave the links to this down below because there's like, this hair is just perfect. Like, it really is just perfect. Like, I love it. I really do. It's just so soft. Like, I've never had hair that feels like straight, I can't even talk. Oh my god. I never had hair that just feels straight out of the pack when you just wash it out of the pack. I feel like I'm at the beauty supply store or something, but you guys know what I mean. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. Make sure you watch my last update just so you can have like an overall first impression review of it and everything like that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.